welcome back to Moonstone Crafts, and I'm here for my first post review. This is my 5-panel, you've seen it plenty enough in my woodbine chats, and I'm finally done with it, and I must say I'm so happy I'm finally done with it. It just gets a bit repetitive with this kind of 5-panel where the colors are quite the same. There's only 19 colors, so yeah, for a girl that likes confetti as well, it could be a bit boring. It's a square from Fansells, as I said before, and I really enjoyed their squares actually. I wasn't sure about them, but they turned out great. As you can see, I will give you a better look in a moment. I will do some close-up shots and some from above. But I just wanted you to be stable during this little part of the video where I talk about it. It's a gift from my sister when she gets her new home at the beginning of September. So I have to still frame it. I'm thinking about putting it on wood, like wooden planks, sized as the picture. So everyone gets their own wooden plank. I hope I explained that well. And I'm still considering maybe sealing it. I just don't know what to use and where to find it here in the Netherlands. So I have to do some research on that. So I'll ask my dad if he can make some planks, some wooden planks on the good size that I want them in. And we of course have to get a system in the back that she can hang them all. And yeah. I will definitely show you again when they're ready to go to the new home, and maybe even when they're hanging there I will post a pic on Instagram. But we're not there yet, so I will shoot some close-up shots now and show you the shine, because it really shines, and the drill quality and stuff. And then I will be back with my leftover drills and my trash drills. So see you in a bit. Okay, so here are the leftover drills, and I must say also, I didn't say that before, these drills are so shiny. They're like rounds. They're so shiny. I really love their square drill shininess, like from Fansells. I had enough left of every color. Yeah, there we go. I even had some left in some baggies, and they do have DMC, so I will record a dekitting of me getting it away in my storage. But as you can see, there's so much left, so I was never worried of running out with any of the colors. And this is the last one, it just has the white. There we go. So yeah, pretty good in that aspect. And also pretty good is my trash drills. So I'll get them to you. There we go. This is all. For a big 5-panel, I think that's good. And there are some in here that I just were wrong colors in another color, so like strays. And some that I just found later on my bed or somewhere, and I just threw them in the trash because I always had enough. So some of those are just still fine, but I don't want to search them out, put them in the right color. And as you can see, some of them are even rounds. So they really were strays. And some real trash, but nothing too bad. So I was really pleased with that. So that will conclude my post review of this 5 panel for now. But before I do that, this is my trash bucket. And I will put my trash in the trash bucket with you guys to really conclude this one. And I saw this by Rambling Rose, and I don't know if that's her name, but I will link her channel. She does that with her little projects, weekend projects. To conclude the project, she puts her trash drills in the trash, and I like that idea. So all credit goes to her for the idea. But now it's definitely finished, and I will dekit my nice stuff, and you will see that in a later video. But for now, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this post review. If you missed anything or you still have questions about it, please ask them in the comments. I hope I have the answers for you. And I hope this was useful as well. But again, thanks for watching, and I will see you the next time. Bye!